Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nahal Halfbean. I am the host of the Bicentenary Meditation Project, and today I am here with you with a video on how to make your sound, the sound of your meditation, as good of a quality as possible. So we're going to start with the physical surroundings, and everything that I'm about to say is going to be in the comments below. So don't worry, like if you think this video is going too fast, just check down below. So in the physical environment, what we want to remember is that we want to have curtains, we want to have carpets, we want to have pillows, and we want to have our back like against a wall so that it can bounce, the sound can bounce off of each other, and also, or like a corner. Choose the smallest room possible, windowless, if it's possible. If not, that's okay. So when it comes to the positioning of the meditation, you want to sit up straight, you want to projectile your voice outwards, and you can prop up some pillows behind you and have the microphone at like your mouth level, so like about here, and you want to have it like a fist away, essentially. So that microphone is basically like a semi-professional microphone, but if you don't have that, that's cool. You can just use your phone right here and just record away. And so one thing, what I wanted to mention with the voice is that when you're speaking, you want to, because it's a meditation, we tend to get more relaxed when we're recording the meditation. You want to make sure that your voice throughout the meditation is really like it's projecting and it's very strong, and it's not like going like lower and lower or like less and less, because the quieter you are, the less sound it has, that if we needed to edit something, that it wouldn't like be stripped away completely. But when you're having like an energetic voice, then that's something that like we can work with. So the other things that I can think of is like when it comes to like the professional equipments. So if you have a semi-professional microphone like this, sometimes they come with an app you can download it, and then on the app it will have several different types of files that you can use. So there's WAV files and like MP3 files. So these are the two files that we've asked for everyone to like send their meditations in. A WAV file has a lot more like basically meat in the sound quality, so that if we were to strip it away, like there would still be like something in the core that's intact, whereas an MP3 is a lower quality. So when we start stripping away the background noise or the things sounds around, then it's like lesser. So if you can use a WAV file, record with a WAV document and then send it to us in that way, or if you can't, use an MP3. So yeah, if you want to record with an iPhone, you can do it with like one fist away. Just make sure that your mouth and the microphone is always like at one fist away of a distance. So I wanted to share with you a little bit about what the sound editing process is like. So we have a wonderful, delightful like sound engineer who is actually like basically suggested all the above. And his name is Jarome, and we give a shout out to you. We love you. Thank you so much for helping us with the meditations and the sound. Because if you hear like silence, that's Jarome right there doing his little magic. So a couple things that I had to ask Jarome of like, what can we do? Like, what is possible for you to like edit out? And so one of the things that we decided on was that we were going to use a type of sound that's called like the gate system. I don't really know what that is, but it's a fancy word for essentially that when you're speaking, it's hard to get the background noise out, but when you're not talking, then we'll have complete silence. So we'll cut everything out, but when you're talking, whatever is in the sound is basically in the sound. So if there's like an ambulance that goes by, you want to wait till it finishes before you start recording again, or like start your recording all over again. Because if you're talking and the ambulance goes by, then it's hard to like be able to remove that, because what we can remove is like the pauses in between, but then when you're actually using your speech, it's harder to like take away that background noise. So make sure that if you can, like take the fans away, the like the aircon or any like sounds in the room, just turn it off for like the the 15 minutes that you're wanting to record, and then have it there. So yeah, that's about it. With this video, I wanted to share with you guys that Jarome has very generously, the 30 meditations that have already been published right now, he has redone them all, and I'm going to be posting it soon, so you'll hear, when you listen to it again, you're going to hear like it sounding very different and like much better quality. And that's all thanks to Jarome. So thank you so much for helping us with this project. For those of you who are still haven't sent in your meditations, please do so early as possible. As you can tell, we have a whole shenanigan and a whole process to go through with the sound quality, editing the sound, and also posting it on the blogs, which takes like about 3 weeks. So send in your meditations as early as possible. We're trying to get all 365 meditations done before the bicentenary birth of the Bab, which is October 2020. So if you would like to help out with the project, I will also leave the information down below for you. And if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. I hope this was helpful for you, and you'll be able to actually use these tips in your future meditations. But also anyone who's watching, when this meditation project is already like complete, then this is some tips for you in general of how to help you like record like meditations, because I know as yoga teachers or meditation teachers, this is not our field. So maybe this video will be of help to you. So yeah. Thank you, Jarome, again, and his team, and I'll see you in the next video.